Okay, welcome students to your new class of science, and today we are going to discuss about the last part. Last Wednesday, right, during our English classes we discussed about gender. So why I taught you gender? It was not in your book, but I taught you gender because today I am going to relate this chapter with gender. And what is that chapter? That chapter is use of he or she. Okay. So how you will use he or she if you will not know about the gender? So last Wednesday I taught you about male and female, right? So male genders, that means boys, and female gender we consider as girls. So here is this one male and here this one is female, right? Now he and she is pronoun. He and she are used as pronoun and they are only used for human beings. They are not used for animals. So always keep it in mind. He and she are pronoun which are used for human beings but not for animals until and unless the animal has been personified. What is this personification? Personification means until and unless that animal is been characterized like a person. Okay, it is having a name and then after we are considering with the gender. So until and unless it happens in any of the, usually it is happening in the stories. Okay, so we use eat for animals. We use eat for animals, and he, she, eat, these are pronouns. What are these? These are pronouns. So already we saw that male that we consider as boy and female we consider as girl. So for male gender we use he. For male gender we use he, whereas for female gender we use she. We use she. Okay. So for male we use he and for female we use she. So now you can understand why I taught you gender last day. This was the reason that I taught you gender last day. If you will not know about the gender, if you will not know about the male and female, how you will understand that where to use he and where to use she, right? Yes. So now let me erase these words which are related to gender, and now we are going to use these words which is he or she, right? So here boys is he and girl is she, right? Now can you tell me, I will place this picture where? For the he category or for the she category? Come on, all of you start typing in your chat box. This is he or this is she. Okay, let me see who can give the cast. Yes, Nandini is the first one to give the answer. Shomrik Roy Chaudhary is second and the third one is Shugata. Very good. So here is he. So we are placing here and we are going to write grandfather, right? For grandfather we use he, whereas this one. Now can you tell me for this picture what we should use? Which pronoun, he or she? Come on. First. Yes, I got the first answer from Shugato, then Shomrik, then Orgo, then Ankita, then Jasim and then Shataki. All has given the correct answer. And here comes she. Yes, it's grandmother and we use she for grandmother. we use she for grandmother. Next comes here. Can you tell me which pronoun we will use for this picture? And I got the first answer from Ayushman, he, and second from Shugato, Shataki, Shomrik. Very good. And this is he. We use he for father or uncle. Okay. So we use he for father or uncle. Next comes this picture, which we used last week also, last day also. And can you tell me which pronoun we will use? Yes, Shomrik has given the first answer, and it is she. Arush has also joined us and has given the correct answer. Ayushman has joined us. Very good, Shugato, Orgho, excellent beta. So here mother, for mother we use the pronoun she. So is it very clear that for boys we use he and for girls we use she. So for boys he is being used and for girls she is being used. So this is the use of he and she. Now all of you take one of the copy and one pencil. Come on. Today we are going to do classwork. Whatever copy is available with you, just take it, get ready with your pencils, and I am going to write something on the board which you have to note down in your notebooks on your own. Okay. So get ready with your notebooks and pencil and eraser. Come on. I am giving you 2 minutes time to arrange your notebooks. I want each and every student to write on their own. Parents are not going to help them in writing in their copies. We are going to do today writing practice even with our classes. Okay? Who is this? Okay. So you will write the heading first. And the heading is use he or she. Now for the given words. So I am going to write some words. Can't see, ma'am. Please disconnect the call and join me again. Those who cannot see me or those who cannot see the board, please disconnect the call and join us again. Okay, so use he or she for the given words. Now, you will write this in your notebook on your own. I want each and every student to write this in your notebooks on your own. Get ready with your pencil, eraser and notebooks. And I would request parents, please allow your students, allow your wards to write it on their own. I hope all of you are writing. So these are some of the words or names which we have given on the board. I hope each and every student is writing over here. Everyone please write down in your copies. I don't want any answer now. I don't want any answer now. Just write down on your own. Nandini, where is your copy? Where is your pencil? Write down, Nandini. Ayan Mukherjee, you will finish your writing and you will show me your copies. Shushabhan, where is your copy and where is your pencil box? Are you writing? I can see you are not writing. Everyone will write on their own. Ayan Mukherjee, very good Ayan. Excellent, Ayan is writing on his own. Excellent Ayan. Even Shugato is writing. Shomrik Roy Chaudhary is writing. Excellent Shomrik. Shushobhan. Yes, Shugato is writing. Yes, come on Shugato, very good. Orijit is not writing. Orijit, where is your copy and where is your pencil? Write down whatever is written on the board, write down. Yes, very good Orijit. Here, Trishita, very good. Trishita is also writing. Excellent. Come on, finish it fast. Ankita. Ankita has completed the work. Can you show me, Ankita, your copy? Shushaban already completed, beta. Can I see your copy? Yes, Shomri, come on. Very good. Ankita, please write down. Come on, yes. Very good. All my students are writing. Now I am going to proceed with this part. So, after you complete these words on a new page, you will make two categories like this. You will make two categories like this. On a new page, there should be two columns, one for he and one for she. This category, this column will be for he and this will be for she. Okay, so now let us see grandfather. So grandfather, which pronoun we will use? We will use he or we will use she. So let's see in the chat box who is going to write the first one to give me the answer. Yes, Ayushman is the first one, and Ayushman, I cannot see you on the screen, beta. Okay, can I see Ayushman? Ayushman. Yes. Orgho is writing, I think. Let me see Orgho. Okay. Okay. Very good. Okay. So, grandfather, for grandfather, which pronoun we are going to use? we are going to use the pronoun he, which Nandini has given the first answer, Anurag second, and third one is Shishobhan. Very good. So we are going to write grandfather over here. Grandfather, we will use the pronoun he for grandfather. Next comes uncle. So which pronoun we will use for uncle? Yes, I got the first answer from Nandini, Ankita, Shomrik, Orgho. Yes, all have given the correct answer, and for uncle also we use he. We use he. Next comes sister. So what comes for sister? Sister, yes. Yes, very good Ayushman Sinha. Very nice Orgho. Very good Sugata. Shomrik, Jasim. Very good Shishobhan. All have given the correct answer. For sister, we use she. Next comes aunt. So which pronoun do we use for aunt? So let's see which pronoun do we use for aunt. Eta kete gache. This side. Just little bit. Ora leak chhe hoyto. Just bas. Na eleও hobe. Just. Okay. Okay. So the next one, sister. So which pronoun we are going to use for sister? Yes, all have given the correct answer. And sister already we have given. Yes. So now aunt. What we are going to use for aunt? Which pronoun? She. Yes. So next comes brother. What we are going to use for brother? Come on, all of you. 5 people are typing. Yes, very good. Nandini and Orgho and all Ayushman, even Yashomrik. Yes, very good. All has given the correct answer. Ankita. So brother, we are going to write here. We are going to use pronoun he for brother. Next comes grandmother. So grandmother. What we are going to use? Very good Shatuki, very good Nandini, very good Jasim, very good Arush, very good. So for grandmother Shishobhan, very good. We all are using she for grandmother. So we are going to write grandmother over here. Next comes mother. So what we are going to use for mother? He or she? Yes, very good. Come on, come on. Yes, I got all the correct answers, and we are going to write mother here because we are going to use she for mother. Next comes father. Next comes father. So yes, Shamrik Raichaudhary has given the correct answer. All are giving the correct answer, and it's father. That means we are using the pronoun he for it. So here comes father. Next is a name, that is Ali. Can you tell me, Ali is the name of a boy or a girl? Yes, Ali is the name of a boy, and we will use he for Ali. Yes, yes, very good Nandini. So all has given the first answer and everyone has given the correct answer. So Ali has to be written over here. As I am not having any space below this part, so I am writing over here, okay? You just continue just below this word. Next comes Ram. So yes, and who is she? Pavitra. Pavitra, I think so. She is a KG student, but till now she has not joined. She has decided to continue with preparatory. Okay, so next comes Ram. So Ram is, yes, Ram is he. So we will use the pronoun he for Ram because Ram is the name of a boy. Next comes Rifa. Next comes Rifa. Rifa, Shomrik, you have given 2 answers at a time, Rifa and Sita. Okay, both the answers are correct. And let me see rest of the students, what they have done. Let me see, Rifa is she. Yes, very good. All of you have given the correct answer. And Rifa is a girl and we are going to use she for Rifa. Next comes Sita. So, what comes? Yes, very good. Sita is also a girl and we are going to write Sita and we are going to use Sita for, yes, pronoun she. And let me see the chat box. Shomrik's first answer ta dekhi. Shomrik's first answer. Just arektu upore chalo. Arektu duto answer একসঙ্গে দিয়েছে. আরেকটু হ্যাঁ, she and he. Shomrik Rai Chaudhuri, Rifa and Sita, did you give both the answers together beta? But your first answer is correct. If you have given both the answers together, then your first answer is correct, whereas the second answer is wrong beta. Sita is the name of a girl where we have to use the pronoun she. Okay, okay, I hope you have rectified your answer also. Next time you have rectified your answer, right, Shomrik? Shomrik is typing something. I am waiting for your message. Okay. So, yes, Sita is she. Very good, Shomrik. Very nice. Okay. Maybe it was a typing mistake. Let's see. So, this was the concept of he and she. Where to use he, where to use she. For boys, we usually use he for male gender, and for female gender, we usually use she. Okay. So, these are the words where we use he and she, and for animals, we never use he or she until and unless they are being personified. We use it for them, which we will learn later on. So, he and she is only used for human beings. Okay. Only used for human beings. I hope each and every student have today written this classwork in their copies. So, please learn it properly along with the gender. Until and unless you will know the gender, you won't be able to possible to. Yes, Nandini has given the answer. Yes, ma'am. Very good. Okay. So, this is the classwork for today, and I will be present before you with your next class on Monday. Until that time, be happy, be safe and take care of yourself. Bye bye students.